property here. So it's been a good location. I've been here about 10.5 years, and it's time to retire and try to sell off and move on to retirement. Location is really pretty good. It's just down the street where the post office is. Kitty corner, we have the city hall and the police station. We're one building off of 19, so people who are traveling south on 19 can see the location when they're parked at the light. We've had pretty good walk-in traffic that way. The company's really done excellent. Got a good customer base and following. We do all kinds of work here, from brakes to tune-ups to computer diagnosis, tires. There's brake lathe over there, wheel balancers. There's 2 hoists in here. One's a drive-on lift and the other is an asymmetrical. So you've got a combination, and the third bay is just an open bay without a lift. And I found that combination really works well for different types of vehicles you want to work on. It's a great location. It's a walk-in turnkey operation. I'll even stay a little bit and help you get acquainted with the new customers. Hopefully it'll be a great deal for your investment.